Here are 5 countries with the most beautiful nature in the world. First is New Zealand, famous for its green valleys, snow-capped mountains, and crystal-clear lakes. Second is Norway, home to stunning fjords, waterfalls, and the magical northern lights. Third is Canada, with endless forests, blue lakes, and breathtaking national parks. Fourth is Switzerland, where every mountain and lake looks like a painting. And finally, Iceland, the land of volcanoes, hot springs, glaciers, and black sand beaches.